You know, me and Haley are regular height right here. And Chase is a little small. Why are you grabbing like that?
I got my people asleep.
You know where to go?
Yeah, to the exit.
This is your hood.
Look how small he looks.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Miller's new vlog. We're back at it again with the white bands. No, they're black. But today we flew into Tampa.
Tampa.
Cut this up and make me sound intelligent.
Okay.
Anyways, we're down here. Haley's making a video with Cletus. Actually, me and Miller are gonna be making a video, and she's gonna be editing. We're gonna do everything, and she's not gonna do it. And so, but yeah, we're gonna be making a video tomorrow with Cletus, and this is the behind the scenes.
But first, we're going to Waffle House tonight.
Not going to Awful House.
Dude, you look really small.
Dude, well, at least you won't break your face when the airbag goes off. It'll go right over your head.
Alright guys, we're back on the vlog. Update, we made it to the hotel.
Yeah,
Chase made a paper airplane out of his airline ticket.
Yeah, we did this on the plane, and I've got some aerodynamics built into mine.
Dude, you got the freaking Z-wing in the back, geez.
Yeah, that thing's gonna defer air, right? We got these little flanges here.
Ooh.
It's simplicity. It's sleek. It goes through air easy. Why you have so much drag right now?
Okay, no, so before we throw these, go in the comments and type who you think's gonna win.
3.
No, just go ahead and throw yours.
Alright.
Wait,
it's all about the toss. It's all about the toss.
Yeah, my toss is bad. I won!
Wait, let's see the finals. Nice.
I think we get 2 throws.
Oh no!
Give us some sauce. Give us some sauce.
I'm gonna try throwing it upside down now. Because it went down. It went down. So maybe.
All right, go.
You go first.
Oh!
Not bad.
Why is mine coming back? Okay, that's a tie.
We gotta play more airplanes. All right, guys, we just ate at Kiki's. We're headed to Cletus's now. There's a guy raking the yard, so.
That's a girl.
Kiki, do you
love me? Stop, we're gonna get copyright. Oh, look at that Tesla.
That's gonna be your car soon.
Guys, can you believe Miller's collabing today
with Cletus
and Haley?
You're gonna hit the cup.
Turn left when?
There's no left.
Nope.
You won't do it?
Tell me when.
Close your eyes. I'll tell you how.
No.
Okay.
No.
My eyes are completely shut.
Keep going.
Dude, I don't trust that.
No,
I don't trust. Oh my. Okay, cameras are back here. Cameras are back here, bud.
Florida's not bad. I don't know why you didn't like living here.
Because it's 140 degrees in one section.
I know. I love that.
And then it's humid and then it rains randomly. Hell yeah, brother, Freedom Drive right here, ladies and gentlemen. The old collab between us three is about to be insane. No, but this is really cool. It's really cool to see in person, you know? Oh, look at that guy's house.
That's a church.
That's Jesus' house. All right, guys, Haley just said she's gonna edit this video for me, so we just got done with
the Freedom
Shop. You shop. HaleyFreedom.com. I think I'm just gonna change my name to that, you know?
Haley Deegan, BTS.
Yeah. But yeah, we're gonna go drift some cars apparently. Haley's gonna shred.
I don't know how the hell I'm gonna reach the pedals.
You know, okay, I was watching you drive the Can-Am, right? On the last video. You remember when you go around the corners and you like sling the wheel and catch it and then like hold it to go? That's essentially what you're gonna do.
I should probably watch some videos on like how to drift.
You should have watched that like tutorial.
I have no clue what I'm supposed to do with my feet. I've never drifted anything before.
And they're longer wheelbase, so it's easier to toss them sideways.
Okay, thanks, man.
I've watched a lot of Adam LZ.
I can tell.
Well, guys, we made it to the old Freedom Factory. We got some fans out here today, as you guys can see.
The Taco Bell Miata!
It's a Miata!
The amount of cars just he has laying around.
I hate when that happens. When my cars just get everywhere. What if we scraped? Oh my gosh, we're here, ladies and gentlemen. Haley, please be able to do a donut this time at least.
I couldn't help it. I was in crown bit.
Haley, just don't hit the rental, okay?
I'll try. Well, we have full coverage. We're good.
Oh, we're good. We're good. All right, Chase, little Miller update. Dude, she's killing it.
She's killing it.
Letting the car cool down a little bit.
Yeah, Cletus just jumped in with her. She's trying to work on the transition from going this way. And I honestly think the hardest thing for her is because in a race car, you're always obviously going left. So like even when you're in a dirt car, you get sideways, you're here.
Yeah.
I think it'd be awkward to be sideways and be here.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? So it's just,
It's cool.
It's probably just a
She
way
picked it up
different
so
experience.
fast. I knew she was going to though. That's so sick. Let's go. So we're going on the jet boats now, as you guys can see.
Wawa.
We're going to Wawa. Haley's never been to Wawa. Kyle took me whenever I went here first. It's like a, you know what a Buc-ee's is?
Yeah.
It's like a smaller Buc-ee's
They
and
don't
like a
have those
sheets
in
combined.
Oh.
Yeah. So it's like a big kind of restaurant deal. Should we grab Cletus a whole Mountain Dew? Hell yeah, brother. A little snackage. He said we're getting food on the water. There's like a restaurant
I guess
on
there's
the
a restaurant on the water, yeah. I just want some.
Are we going to a lake or a river?
I think we're going, I don't know, honestly. It might be a river that leads into the lake.
Yeah. Haley, are you excited for this?
I'm ready. I am so ready.
This is great.
I'm just going to wear my sports bra.
You gonna wear your sports
I don't
bra?
have my sports bra on.
Hey, chill, bro. Don't show me.
Titties than I do.
Great. This is my video now. That's great.
You can put it on yours.
No. This is great. Maddie's gonna wrestle a gator today. It's just gonna be a good day. So good.
And I have my gator towel.
Your
Oh, my
gator towel?
gator towel.
Just in case we see one, we can show them and tell them. Is that Lacoste or something? Yeah. That's funny. This is great.
I can't promise
So much
they're not
fun.
gonna
Let's
get
go.
How big's the gator? Not a gator.
Oh, snap. Oh my. Look at the size of that puppy. What? He's just relaxing. That's a big.
See it?
Is that like a medium size? Like.
That's pretty small.
Oh, really? Oh, God. What's up, buddy? Oh my. Oh. All right, guys, we just ate lunch. It's now time to hit the water again. It's gonna be a fun day. Look at this. This guy's got a supercharged LS on his boat, and it is insane. So let's look at this. Look at this thing. Dude, look at this thing. This thing's sick. I love the twisted T, dude. That's sick.
Yeah,
Oh my gosh. Why is it so tall? Like, is there a reason for it to be so tall? Or is that just how they are?
Well, yeah, that's just like mine's actually kind of low. A
Yeah.
lot of people build them up high for like to see over the grass because they ride them in
This
the
is
glades and
yours?
stuff.
Got you. Okay, cool. Have you ever taken this one out there and stuff?
Yeah, I haven't actually been in the glades. It's only been done for like probably about 6 or 8 months.
Holy.
Dude, this thing's wild.
I feel like I
It does
fly off.
it does wheelies. You have a seatbelt or anything? You just sit there.
What is it?
You have like a lap belt or anything, or you just
You don't
sit?
want to be strapped in.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Dude, the
Nice.
funniest thing is seeing these things like go on flat grass and just haul ass on grass.
Yeah.
Like grass fields.
Yeah.
Like just go on grass fields and just.
Burn them down.
Take off like airplanes when they get air.
That's
Yeah, I flew one, my first one.
Oh my god.
I was less than learned. I didn't have to brake on it.
oh my. Alright guys, so we just got off the boats and I think we strapped the boat to itself.
Easy on the brakes.
Yeah,
If it just rolls off.
it won't roll off. It's really,
Is it?
it's heavy and it's strapped to the
It's
front.
not heavy.
It's 100% strapped to itself.
No.
Yes, it's strapped to the back handles and then underneath.
Oh my gosh.
No, it's strapped the front strap too.
The front strap.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
But the rear is not
Is it
strapped.
going to hop out?
It's strapped to itself.
Is
Are
it?
you sure?
I'm starting to think it is now.
No, it definitely is.
I don't trust what Chase says.
They did.
We just got off the boat and we're just we can't right now. What a crazy time, dude. Was that not freaking
It was a
awesome?
good time.
Dude, I would look over at y'all and I would just be like, how are we here right now? Like, I got bit by a spider, like a rather large one.
A Daddy LaCroix?
Yeah, because when I pull it off my neck and I crumpled it, here, just stop at the stop sign. Flash your lights.
No, you're good. You're
I'll
good.
just literally hop out and like, okay.
No, you're good. You're good. You're good. Dude, so when you guys left from the island at the last part, Haley goes, it was giving us trouble starting up all day. And Haley goes, and he goes, dang. And we were like, dang, dang. So I'm like, she's like, what do we do? What do we do? What do we do? They're leaving. The freaking guy on the
We're
airboat.
floating downstream.
Yeah, they were floating the other way. The airboat hauls ass, and we're like, what the heck? Finally, it fires, and all I smelled was electrical fire. I was like, what in the hell smells like electrical
It was
fire?
probably like the starter trying to go out.
I don't know, but it smelled bad.
All right, Chase, what are you betting? $10 it is, or is it?
It definitely is. 100.
I don't think so.
100%.
Chase gets himself sold on his own theories, and then he'll like live and die by them.
He's 100%
No,
strapped to
I don't
himself.
think it is. I think maybe I can Tamron. Would you stop the truck?
No, I gotta get around.
Would you stop the truck?
Any day now, bud.
Hey, let's go do it. Let's go redo it. Oh, God. Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Told you, sold on your own theories.
Nice. Dang it.
You're losing it, dude, with your age.
Dude, that is straight. Technically.
All right, guys, we have Garrett and Mitchell in front of us right now. We're back in the vlog. What's up, Chase? We just raced them. You know, Chase held this car at 5,000 RPMs for at least 3 minutes. Yeah.
It
Cletus
didn't
got.
work. Dude, I'm telling you, I was so close in this shit.
What?
I was so close.
Oh, here he goes. Here he goes. Let's see if he does some sick ass.
Trick.
Do a flip. That thing sounds like a jet engine, doesn't it?
Why does it sound like a helicopter?
Helicopter.
It's because he loves helicopters, okay?
Oh my god, that thing's beautiful. Why are we so broke? Why are we so broke?
Oh, wow. That thing sounds sick. Oh, it just turned off. Do what?
Can't say no.
He said it. Hey! That's a nice car. Your car matches his. They match. You should go race them. Hey! Alright guys, I'm back home now, back in Charlotte, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of off the wall, didn't really make sense, and just kind of all over the place, but just let me know if I should do more. We're doing a lot of collabs here in the next few months, and so let me know if you'd like to see the behind the scenes of kind of those collabs in a much raw, more crazy format with no kind of filters. So I'm in the Jeep now, as you guys can see, and I'm enjoying being back. Finally gonna be able to get some rest, but hope you guys have a good week, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one, y'all.